Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Well, I did promise that I'm gonna create a look using the NYX products, and I'm gonna do that. So I have the foundation from NYX, and this foundation, the color is Deep Stable. Again, this is NYX. So I have their foundation. This is their highlight and contour stick, and I'm gonna do a look using these products this morning. And I did also pick up their mattifying finishing matte spray, and I'm gonna see what that look like. I'm already done my eyes and my eyebrows off camera, of course, since it's about the foundation and not about anything else. So let's get started. So I'm gonna shake up this foundation. I have never used this foundation before. Hopefully guys will give me full coverage. I think it says it's full coverage, but we know. And hopefully I don't have to. Oh, so it's out. The applicator is you lift it up and then you drop it on your skin. So let's see what that look like. Never done this before, so don't laugh. Oops. I told you I've never done it before. So you're supposed, whoa, guys, this thing is watery. When I say watery, I mean watery, like so watery. Oh my God. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to use an applicator because I'm not a fan. So, it's very watery. Now, this is a drugstore foundation, so, and I did put Milk of Magnesia on my face, and also I put on some primer on my face. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but this applicator, I am not a fan. It's a mess. And of course, I think you have to tilt your face backward to use it, and it's so watery that ain't gonna work for me. Like as soon as you put it out, it's running, like running. Oh my God. So let's see what type of coverage I can get from this. You guys know I need full coverage, and I don't know if this is going to provide me full coverage. Yeah, I don't know if this is going to provide me any form of full coverage. Now, the thicker the foundation is, the more coverage you'll get. That's what I understand. The thicker it is, the more coverage you'll get. But it doesn't look bad on camera. Doesn't look bad. But looking in my mirror, I think it's okay. We're going to see what it do. I'm not sure if it's buildable, but I'll see right now. Oh, guys. This thing ain't gonna work out like that. Me using that applicator. Okay, so I'm gonna try to build it as much as I can because I am looking for a full coverage to cover all my imperfection. And throughout the day, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Or maybe I'll get to take one picture and to show you guys after a couple hours, because I am going to church. And I want to see what it does after a couple hours. We gonna see. And I'm happy that they have a contour stick. Yeah, we Jamaican, we don't say it. We just say tick. But it's actually a contour stick. If my lips or my tongue can pronounce anything this morning. So I'll show you guys throughout the day how this thing look. It looks okay. I know it's not my right shade. Of course, you know, you have to mix, really mix. When you use drugstore foundation, you have to really mix to get your color. So just keep watching and see how I try to slay my face with the NYX foundation in Stable. All right. All right, so you guys could see I did my color correction around my mouth because that's where I have a lot of darkness, and it was able to cover the concealer that I use after a little application of the foundation. It was able to cover it, so it's not bad. And I haven't set my face. I'm about to set my face before I do my contour, so it doesn't look bad. That's the coverage that I get. And this is the NYX foundation again in Stable. And I'm looking in my viewfinder, guys, because I just want to make sure you guys are seeing. So that is the coverage that I get from it. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. And again, this is Deep Stable, Total Control Deep Stable NYX foundation. That is the coverage that I get. And I think it's pretty good for what you pay for it. Pretty good, like, I think it's pretty good. So let me set my face. And you guys know I've been setting my face lately with this Sephora micro powder. It's like a baking powder, Sephora micro baking powder. That's what I've been using to set my face after I do my foundation, before I do my contour. So let me just set that. And I see my finish. The result by doing this is much better. You get a better finish. And I like to take my foundation like right around these areas, so you cannot see where my foundation start or stop. But I like a matte finish. Y'all know, if you guys been watching me for a while, you guys know that I love a matte finish. All right, so I'm going to go in with the contour kit stick. Why I keep saying kit? The contour stick. And at one end you have this color, and at the other end you have this color. So that's the next side, which is the darker side. And it's really nice. I mean, I think no, it's not Rihanna, but somebody has a stick similar to that with one side, you know, so when you're traveling, you don't have to take 2 containers, but you just can take 1. So this contour stick is like, it's giving me like a cream feel when I apply it. Like it's a cream finish. Now, most concealer, whenever you're trying to do your highlights, you have to let it sit for a while. Or it's the same thing with this product. But I'm going to let it sit for a while because it comes out really creamy. Not as I think I would like it a little lighter. But let's see. It blends very well. It is not full coverage under the eyes, of course. It's not full coverage, you can see. And on camera, it's showing really well, like, really nice. You see that? Really nice. It blends out very well. As you guys can see, it was not hard to blend it out. See that? Not hard at all to blend it out. It blends out really well. I'm using a dry beauty blender. So that's the coverage of the eyeliner. I'm going to try to see if I can build it up. Because you guys know I like that drag queen look. Yeah, I said it. That drag queen look. Yes, I said it. I love that drag queen look. Y'all my family. Might as well I be honest with y'all. Right? Yeah. So that's all I'm going to do. Just going to blend that out. I won't add any more. I promise. I'm going to let it sit a little while before I go in and set it with my banana powder. Okay. And it goes out pretty. This is all the product you get on this stick. I think for the price, yeah. It's a lot of product. Okay. And it doesn't look like you need a lot of setting. Guys, I'm going to be going a little faster than normal. All right. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to set it with my banana powder. Banana. This is caramel. I don't know why I keep saying banana. It's actually caramel. I will try the banana. I guess the banana want me, but I maybe try the Sasha cup. And I do not bake, guys, because baking don't like me. So I just brush the powder over. My face. Now I'm going to go in with the darker part and do my contour. I don't know if it's that dark. I wouldn't say this is dark. You see that color? It's like it's red. Didn't like that color. Didn't like that color at all. Yes, I won't even use it as a bronzer on my face because I did not like that color. It comes off red. I don't know if you guys can see, it comes off a little reddish. It didn't come off as being dark at all. The way I like to have it snatched right there. Didn't give me that look. Yeah, I don't like that at all. You see, guys? Yeah. Give me a red look. Even I did the reverse contour, it did not pick up. It didn't do anything with the reverse contour, it didn't do anything with it. So you guys know I gotta go in and do, I have to go in and use I'm going to go in with my Sleek and use that to do my, really give it that bronze look. Or, you know what, guys? I'm going to use this Black Radiant palette and give, you know, guys know I love this Black Radiant. I'm going to use that just to do something to that, okay? It's not bad, you see? It's not bad, but it is red. Who will use a red contour stick? So I'm going to use this to bronze up my face to see if I can get something out of it. Guys, look at it. Yeah, it's not looking bad, but after I use the Black Radiant powder and set it, it doesn't look that bad. So, I don't know if you guys can see, but that is the look. And then the only thing that I have is the mist, which I'll put a setting powder. But you guys will see if it really looks the way it says it should look. It says a full coverage, which means my face is supposed to stay matte all day. Hopefully. Because you guys know I have super oily skin and do not want to look like I just been pulled out of the grease. So I'll keep you guys posted throughout the day to show you guys what this look like. All right. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy my my tutorial this morning with the NYX, again, Deep Stable Foundation from NYX, and also the contour stick, and it's called the Wonder Stick from NYX. And again, there's a spray, which is a setting spray you'll do after you completely finish. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoy my little tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Make sure you checked out the rest of the videos that's coming up. The next little video coming up is either going to be here or here or here or here. Wherever they are, do not click away. Make sure you watch the rest of my video. You cannot just watch one of my videos. Don't you guys love my accent? I know you do. Yes. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. Subscribe. Turn on your notification button. There's a lot of people calling me that, are you still doing videos? Yes. Turn on your notification button. Make sure you're seeing the bell, that little arrow around the bell. Okay, guys? Thank you, and I'll see you guys on my very next video. Bye-bye.